All right, Chas, check this out.
Oh my God, this is amazing!
This warehouse is finally starting to resemble a school, but I need a pro.
Hi, Troy Pepperly, Fun Factory Sensory Gym. Our company has completed 48,000 gym installs worldwide, and of all of them, I couldn't be more honored than I am to be a part of this one.
This is like Sensory Gym meets like Ninja Warrior training ground.
These are the under tunnels. What these are for is they'll put desk, crash pads in there, things for kids to get comfortable. It's a chill out zone. Rock climbing walls. With these, we do them vertical. We also do them at an angle.
It all starts with the first step.
Oh my God!
Cannonball coming!
No, wait!
Oh my God. Oh my God. There you go.
Wow!
Gosh, look at this.
Wow!
Oh my, I can't believe that, it actually happened there. Really, we did it. We were like such a